Good morning students. We have already learned natural numbers and whole numbers. Let's recap the portion of it. The set of counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called as natural numbers. And the set of counting numbers along with the number 0 are called as whole numbers. Today, let us learn prime numbers and composite numbers. Therefore, let us take the factors of first 10 counting numbers. First, let us take 1. How many factors does it have? Yeah, it has only one factor. So, the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next, number 3. How many factors does it have? 1 3 is 3. So it has totally 2 factors. Next, number 5. How many factors does it have? It has also 2 factors. And also the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 have only 2 factors alone. These numbers are called as prime numbers. Prime numbers are natural number greater than 1 which has exactly 2 factors, namely 1 and itself is called a prime number. Composite numbers. Let us take number 8. What numbers can we multiply together to get 8? 1 8 is 8, 2 4s are 8. So, it has 4 factors. Next, take the number 4. How many factors does it have? 1 4 is 4, 2 2s are 4. So, it has 3 factors. Now, let us take the number 24. How many factors does it have? 1 into 24 is 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. So 24 has totally 8 factors. It has more than 2 factors. These numbers are called as composite numbers. Numbers which have more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. Important facts. Let us take the number 2. How many factors does it have? It has also only 2 factors. So it's a prime number. 2 is the only one even prime number because all the other even numbers are composite numbers. They are divisible by 2. And number 2 is the smallest prime number also. Watch the video also.
Learn prime and composite numbers. Before we begin, let us understand what do we mean by natural numbers. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on are called natural numbers. Natural numbers can be divided into prime numbers and composite numbers. Before we proceed ahead, remember that any given number will always have 1 and itself as its factors. Now, let us start with prime numbers. Look at the examples. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. All these numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Thus, prime numbers are natural numbers that have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers. Look at the examples. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. All the above numbers have more than 2 factors. These numbers are called composite numbers. Thus, composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than 2 factors. Remember these points. 1 is neither prime nor composite, as it has only one factor. 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Now, why don't you list all the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100?
Today's assignment. We shall discuss the solution in the next class. Solution for the previous videos. The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest whole number is 0. Students, please check the answers with your solutions. Thank you. Bye-bye.